close your eyes, take a deep breath in. Imagine breathing in your favorite color, maybe blue, yellow, or green. Let that color swirl all around you, filling your body with calm and light. Now breathe out slowly and let go of any worries, any frowns, or little thoughts that don't feel nice. Just let them float away like clouds in the sky. Take another deep breath in and feel your chest rise like a balloon. Now breathe out and feel your shoulders relax, your hands soft, your face smiling. Now imagine your favorite color shining from your heart, spreading warmth through your arms, your legs, and all the way to your toes. Your whole body is glowing with kindness and peace. You are calm. You are colorful. You shine bright. You are brave. You are kind. You are loved just the way you are.